Hey there, I am so excited that you are here, and we are setting goals for our next 90 days. So for a lot of us, this is getting to be the end of the year where we're going to be super busy in our businesses, because usually the last quarter is the quarter where we have the most craft shows, the most markets, different things coming up for the holidays that are going to affect how we plan out the next 90 days for everything we go. So if you want to click and download the action planner just above, here's going to be your front page. So it is going to be your action planner to take action for the next 90 days. So when you open it up, and I just printed mine on front and back to save a little paper, we have it broke down. So this is going to be for your next 30 days, the goals that you need to meet for the next 30 days. At the top, you put what you want to accomplish in the next 30 days. It's going to be your big picture. So set up all the goals that you want to accomplish in the next month. You can put your personal goals, your business and career goals, your money goals, and your health and fitness goals, because we know that we need to cover all of those things. Because to be healthy in your business, you have to be healthy in your body, and we always want to keep track of where our money is going and coming and going. The next page is going to be your action steps to achieve your goals. So this is where we're going to take our big goal and we're going to break it down into easy to manage, smaller tasks that we can check off as we do them, because we all know how much we love to check things off our list, right? And then the following page is going to be your goal tracker. So on this one, you're going to write down the date, you're going to write down your task, the description of what you're doing, put yourself a deadline, because when you give yourself a deadline, it makes that goal for real. And that's what we need to do, is we need to put deadlines to our goals, because deadlines without goals are just ideas, and ideas don't get us anywhere. We need to finish those ideas, right? And then you can put the status on the end, whether it's complete or if you needed to move it on to another day. And we're going to do that for our 30-day. Then after that, we have the 60-day goal. Same thing. We're going to have our checklist. We're going to have where we write our goals for as far as our personal, our business, our money, and our health and wellness. We have our broke down checklist to break it down into our smaller parts. Our goal tracker, so we can write down again when we're starting, when we need to finish by. We just make sure we are putting in our deadlines, because we want to try to hit those deadlines if we can. It makes you feel so much better, and you will get so much more accomplished if you can hit those deadlines. Then we have our 90-day. So 90 day is going to be everything you're going to want to complete in the next 90 days. Now some of them you're going to finish early, remember, because we broke it down into 30, 60, and 90. We have our checklist and our goal tracker. Now the next few pages is going to be any appointments that you have scheduled for the next 90 days. So this is going to be like your quick at glance. If you just need to go in and be able to pull up and see everything you need that you know that you're going to have in the next 90 days, this is going to be where you put it. So we have 3 pages of that. You can put if you have any doctor's appointments, if you have any certain meetings, if you have, like I'm a homeschooling mom, we have field trips certain days. I'll know to put all of those things in here so that I can get them onto the next part, which is our month at a glance. So our month at a glance, you can fill in for whatever month you're going to start, write your dates down in there, and you can put little notes. And then, but wait, there's more. So you have 4 weeks every month where we are going to have our weekly to-do list, right? So this is kind of like the big picture of our week. You put in everything for Sunday through Saturday, whether you have shows, whether you have appointments, whether you have meetings, whether you need to make a product or make soap or do production. You can write in here when your curing time is up for certain things, of when you need to check to see, if something's finished or cured. On the back, is going to be your daily to-do list. So this is a great place to write down the tasks that you're going to have to do all that week. Say like soap making or product making or bath bomb making. This will be a great place to put those things down and be able to keep track of what you need to do for the week. And y'all know I love a checklist. I love being able to check stuff off. And then at the bottom you can write your big projects and tasks and keep track of how long it takes you to do it, because that is great information, especially if you're doing production, to keep up with an accurate time schedule so that you know that you are charging enough for your products, because a lot of times we forget that we need to charge for our time. Yes, time is money, people. We need to charge for our time. And we have our 3 months worth or 90 days worth of all of that. So this is going to be a pretty hefty little planner for you. Not super big, but you know, it's 21 pages if you print front and back, 42 if you just print on one side. And then at the end of your 90 days, there's a special page. And we're going to write down how did we do with our goals, and then we're going to celebrate. We're going to give ourselves a celebration of how we're going to celebrate for the progress that we made, because you are going to do amazing. It's so much easier when you set out a goal and you break it down into those small pieces so that you don't have to worry about being overwhelmed. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to take away some of that overwhelm by breaking it down into 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days, because we want for you to succeed. And to succeed, we need to be able to write down our tasks, get them all done, and then at the end, treat yourself. Treat yourself by going on a little trip. Treat yourself by buying yourself a special present. Treat yourself by giving yourself a day at the spa and getting a massage, because Lord knows the last 90 days of the year is just filled with action and going, and the stress of owning a business and trying to get through that whole Christmas season. So we want you to treat yourself when you're done. Go get just a massage, right? Let's go get a massage. Or, you know, plan a little retreat, a little away time right after the holidays where you have a chance to refresh and just really get yourself back into a great frame of mind to start off next year, because y'all, it is right here. Like, we are in the thick of it now. So thank you so much for downloading our free action planner, and stay tuned for more stuff to come. We are going to be starting our group coaching sessions to where you can come and meet with us once every week, and we will go over goals. We will see where we stand. We'll see what we need to adjust to get you back on track for meeting those goals. And it's going to be a ton of fun with a bunch of people who are right in the boat with you. Like, we're all in this together, right? So we'd love for you to join our weekly group coaching calls. So thanks for downloading the action planner, and good luck on your journey to becoming a little bit less stressed out and getting all of those goals accomplished that you need to get done without being overwhelmed. Love to you.